Alright, day 2, we're back out here. We're installing part of the dash on the old Mark IV. Let's get into it. Alright, steering wheel. Let's put this bad boy on now. Oh shit, I'm actually gonna have to adjust this because my wheels are not straight. That'll be fun later. Now I just gotta find my keys and start it up. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, there we go. Alright, as you just saw, you got the dash back in, got the car started up, started a little rough, but that's alright. Turbo needs to be replaced, pretty sure at this point. That'll be done in another time. Got some more things left to do for the track day. That's in 3 days at LimeRock. Pretty stoked in the event. Thanks for watching.